Hi there. Today we are Tuesday, December 7th, 2021. This is the weekly chart of Bitcoin. And I could draw this ellipse. and from this ellipse, I can say that we still can go up a little bit higher, but this week, but probably the real uptrend will start only next week when we leave this green ellipse. And when we look at the daily chart of Bitcoin, Bitcoin seems to be moving inside this orange ellipse. And now we have already come to the limit of the orange ellipse. But we also have this blue ellipse. And the orange ellipse is pushing the Bitcoin price down, but the blue ellipse is pushing the Bitcoin price up. So it's not sure which ellipse will win. But in the short term, I expect that maybe we can have a retest of the blue ellipse so that we can still go down to the bottom of the blue ellipse, and then maybe leave the orange ellipse and go up, or we can continue down. But personally, I don't expect that we will break the orange ellipse right away. According to me, we will go down and retest the bottom of the blue ellipse once more. This was the daily chart. Now we will look at the 3-hour chart. Yesterday we left this yellow ellipse and then we had a little bump, and now we seem to move inside this blue ellipse. So I expect that we can go down again, maybe to the bottom line of the Gardner channel in the short term. You can watch all these charts for free on my website, gurujiru.com. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you next time.